How to delete a Google account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course go here on our Google app, and then once you are now here, on the upper right corner of the screen, just click your profile picture. After that, just click manage your Google account, which is right here. And then once you are now here, what we're going to do is to just scroll down until you see data and privacy. So click on that and then just scroll down all the way to the bottom and then you will see this delete your Google account. So just click delete your Google account right there. And then what we're going to do here is to verify that we own this account. So once you do that, this will pop up. So it's up to you whether you want to read it or not, but I will just skip it. And then I'm going to click yes, I acknowledge. And then yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. And then after that, just click the delete account right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, this account has been deleted on Google. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to delete a Google account.